Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Now, those eagle-eyed people may have noticed that fell out before when I moved this. And this appears to be way too long, and I'm thinking, have I put the wrong one in? So I'm taking this back out again. I've locked the two nuts together before it sets, and I'm going to double check, triple check, go through my old footage to have a look to see have they moved on my cardboard mat. Did I pick up the wrong one? Okay, I've just slipped the two together. This is the one I had in, and it looks like I've moved it from 14 to 13. I've picked up the wrong one. This one goes through and out the other side, and it's sitting in short that much, which is the same as the gap. So I will be putting this back in, number 14, and number 13 is the shorter one, which goes through here and sticks out just enough to go into the housing on this side. So that was a luck. So now I'll take the nut off this and then Loctite this one in. So here you see it all in real time. Mistakes and all. And if you've noticed something else glaringly wrong, please let me know. Now just double check again. It's the lower one. Now I've got this set at 6 at the moment because I was playing with it before. I will now put this back at 10. I'm just holding these gears on, they want to keep sliding off. Okay, now wipe off the excess. And I've put a piece of timber under the front because there is a lump in the casting at the back, and it just helps keep this front edge off the cardboard, so I can manoeuvre it a little bit easier and keep it all level. Otherwise it wants to lay over slightly. Now, line the bottom two up. Okay, and that looks like it's all going to go through. Like it should. Okay, I'm just going to give everything a final clean, then get ready to do the silicone bead. I'll then put the two halves together and finger tight everything, and then go through, and I'm going to set this to 6 Newton meters first. Everything is meant to be 10. I'll do it at 6 and go around, and then go back, and then everything at 10. I'll do a little read, make sure everything is correct, and then I will let you join in for the next part.